drifts in, lingering on my sheet. I trace your name in moonlight. My heart skips a beat, silent hum of midnight. Your warmth beside me still, your fingertips on my skin. Time stands so still. You're the soft pause in my breath at 2 a.m. A quiet truth I'm brave enough to say amen. You're the gentle pulse beneath every whispered word, a melody of promises only my soul has heard. In your calm I find the notes I never knew. Your love unfolds tender, genuine and lavender in the air and candlelight on your face. Your laugh unravels tension, leaving restful grace. Every moment with you feels like I'm floating free. I'm safe in what we hold, just you and me. When shadows fall and whispers fade away, it's your heartbeat that guides me. I'm here to stay. You're the gentle pulse beneath every whispered word, a melody of promises only my soul has heard. In your calm I find the notes I never knew. Your love unfolds tender, genuine and true. Let this quiet love hold the night in its song, together softly where we both in the hush of midnight. Your warmth gently unfolds, soft light dancing. Your love quietly holds. Your laughter lingers like a soft breath in the dark. I lean into the calm only you spark. Your touch is gentle peace wrapped around my skin. Here in the quiet glow, our story begins. Your whispers warm the space between our hearts. Your every unspoken hope Just breathe.